Stop applying your foundation everywhere on your face. You'll be a cakey mess. Instead, apply it where you just need it. Take your foundation brush and dab it in place. And with whatever's on the brush, blend that on the rest of the face. Try it. Stop doing this. If your foundation looks patchy on the nose, you're making this mistake. If you're using a brush, you're dragging the foundation instead of patting it in. But if this doesn't work, use a puff to pat it in and set with powder only where creasing happens. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying your foundation directly on the brush. It'll be too much coverage and you'll be a cakey mess. Instead, take some at the back of your hand, apply some to the center of the face, tap and blend, and with whatever's on the brush, blend it outwards. This covers blemishes where you need it. You're wasting less product and your face will never look cakey. Share this and thank me later. Stop doing this. Stop dragging your foundation brush while applying it. You're just moving product everywhere. Instead, dab the foundation in places where you need it and blend outwards. Your foundation will never look streaky. Try it. Stop doing this. Don't apply your foundation everywhere on the face. You don't even need it. Instead, apply it from the center and blend outwards. Now you'll never have cakey makeup. You'll get the coverage and you won't waste money. Try it. Stop pouring your foundation onto your brush. It's going to be a cakey mess. Take some at the back of your hand. Apply it where you need it the most. Take a sponge or brush. Blend. Avoid the eye area. Use dabbing motions. Don't swipe. And with remaining product, blend on the forehead. Do this for an even application. Stop doing this. Stop shade matching your concealer and foundation to your hyperpigmentation. It'll only look great. Instead, do this. Color correct first. You have to neutralize the darkness. Now take your concealer and apply. Blend it out. You can dab in place for more coverage, and after concealing, you will never look grey or ashy. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying your foundation all over the eyes. It's going to crease. Instead, use an eye primer. It will hold on to eyeshadow and it will not crease. Try it. Stop matching foundation to the hand. It will always be the wrong shade. Instead, test it on the jawline so that it blends both your face and neck. And for concealer, go 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation. If you go any lighter, you look ashy. If you want the full detailed guide, I have a video on my YouTube channel breaking down everything. I hope it helped. Stop doing this. If your under eyes look dry or grey after your concealer, you're not setting it right. White powders on brown skin, huge no. They only flatten your concealer and dull out the brightness. Instead, use banana, caramel, or golden powders. Tap the powder in and do not drag. Your under eyes will stay bright and not ashy. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying creamy concealers directly on the face. Instead, take your concealer, apply it at the back of your hand, use a finger, and apply it on the skin. Now your concealer will work beautifully and will not crease. Try it. Stop dragging your concealer down to your cheek. It's pulling your whole face down. Instead, tap it here and here, blend some in place and outwards. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying your brow gel in just one direction. Instead, back comb the brow hair and then go back and apply the brow gel. In this way, you've coated your brow hair and it's not going to move during the day. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop drawing harsh lines at the front of your brows. It's not 2016. It'll only bring your face down and look heavy. Instead, focus on filling the end of the brows. Don't forget the tail. Blend it in. And for the front, hold the pencil towards the end and create light hair-like strokes. Lift them in the direction of the hair. Blend all that in. Now you'll have beautiful, natural-looking brows. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop dragging your contour across your face. This will make you look flat. Instead, do this. Place your finger under your cheekbone and apply the contour slightly above. Don't blend down. Instead, blend in place and move slightly upwards. If you blend too low, you're dragging your face down. And always move towards the ear. Now you'll have a soft, beautiful shadow and your face will be lifted. Try it. Stop blending your contour into oblivion. It's not a bronzer and it needs shape. Always stamp it in and then blend in the edges. And that gives you definition. Try. Where to apply contour and bronzer. Contour mimics shadows and it sculpts the face. Apply where shadow falls. Blend the edges so it doesn't look very sharp. A little shadow adds all the definition. Bronzer adds warmth. Apply it where the sun would naturally touch your cheek. Don't forget the forehead. Now you'll always look snatched and never muddy. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop using the wrong shade of bronzer. If it's too cool, that is a contour. And don't place it too low. Here's how to fix it. Choose a bronzer that's 1 to 2 shades warmer than your skin tone. It shouldn't look muddy. If you're brown skin, usually golden or red undertones look great. Don't forget to apply bronzer to the forehead and always blend upwards to lift. And this way your skin looks sun-kissed and not muddy. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying your beautiful blush to the apples of your cheek. Look at that. What is it doing? Nothing. Instead, do this. For a lifted look, start the blush there and don't bring it down beyond the center of your iris. And stop it here. And now just keep blending. Blend slightly on the cheekbone so you don't have a harsh line, and don't bring it below your cheekbone. Now your face looks alive, lifted, and not droopy. Try this. Stop doing this. Stop taking your blush and just swirling it everywhere. This is why it looks patchy. Your brush isn't evenly coated. Instead of swirling it all over, pick the right shade from the palette. Coral shades will give you warmth, and the mauve shades will give you depth. Dab your brush in evenly. That's how it looks. Blend it evenly and apply your blush where you normally do. Now your blush will look beautiful. It'll never be patchy, and you can always choose from so many shades. I hope this helped. Stop doing this. Stop applying your powder blush directly after foundation. It can get patchy. Instead, wait for the foundation to dry down slightly and then apply, or use a cream blush for it to sit better. In this way, your makeup won't look patchy and it'll look seamless all the time. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop making your eyes look small with kajal. If you line the entire waterline, your eyes could look tiny. Instead, do this. Line only the outer half, and with a pencil brush, smudge it in. This opens up the eyes while still keeping them defined. Try this. Stop doing this. Stop skipping the upper lash line and only lining the waterline. It looks unbalanced. Instead, always tight line the upper lash line. This instantly makes your lashes look fuller and your kajal will look more polished. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop only applying body moisturizer to hydrate your skin. You need to double layer it. Do this instead. Take a body oil. You can get 20% off with this code and apply it on top of your body moisturizer. Now your skin will be hydrated till the next morning and it'll never be itchy. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop highlighting right on the cheekbone if you have an oval face. It makes your face look longer. Try applying on the bridge and just on the temples. This will help shape the face and it won't stretch it down. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop using a huge brush for your highlighter. Apparently, you have to use this one. Evenly coating the brush. Let's apply there. It's gonna take longer than I would like, but it's gonna give me that very precise application. This will be great for the inner corner. It's looking cute, but I'll just apply this with my fingers on the cheekbone. Wow, that is an instant glow. The brush is good for precision, but my fingers are the best to blend it out. Stop doing this. Stop applying a liner that is lighter than your lip shade. There's no point at all. Instead, use a brown or peach undertone lip liner, blend the edges, and now go in with your lipstick or lip balm and apply. Now your lip color will flatter you. You'll not look dead and completely washed out. Try this. Stop applying matte lipstick on dry lips. It just cracks and fades. Instead, take a lip scrub, scrub the lips, remove the excess, apply a bit of balm, then layer. Now it's clean, smooth, and long wear. Try it. Stop doing this. When you're applying your mascara, you forget those inner lashes. It'll just make your eye look incomplete. If they're small and you can't reach them, hold the wand like this and apply. Now your eyes will be defined, your lashes will look full and not incomplete. Try it. Stop curling your lashes after mascara. You're snapping them and you won't have any. Instead, curl first, then go in with your mascara and coat it for volume. Stop doing this. Stop pumping your mascara up and down. You're filling it with air. If you want more product, just turn it around and you'll get enough product. Don't waste and try this. Stop pumping your mascara up and down and then applying that to your lashes. It'll be a clumpy mess. Always remove off the excess, start from the end and move towards the inner corner. That is what we're looking for. Do the same for your bottom lashes too. And now you'll have the most beautiful lashes with that fanned out effect. Try it. You'll get spider legs. How to apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Don't apply it this way. Instead, hold your wand and lightly apply it on the lashes. This will give you a light coat of mascara and it stays natural. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop using only one powder to set the under eyes or your face. Before we set, blend out any of those creases. Do that to the smile lines too. Now take any setting powder and with a fluffy brush, coat it evenly and apply a light layer. This step helps get rid of any shine. I'm doing that to my smile lines too. Now take your puff, again coat it evenly. Now let's double set it. You can see it's not looking cakey at all. And if you want it to be completely crease proof, take your powder foundation, tap your brush in and set that in place. Again, you're using very light layers. Look at that finish it has given me. I hope this helped. Don't set your smile lines with powder. Blend it out first. That reduces creasing. Now take your powder and set. You'll get that blurred look you're always looking for. Try it. Stop doing this. If your foundation is separating or slipping, your primer might be causing it. If you've got dry skin, you need hydration and not blurring. Try skipping your primer completely or use a setting spray before and after makeup. Less layering, better base. Try it. Stop holding brushes like a pen. It'll look streaky. Instead, hold it farther down. That gives you a lighter grip. You want it to glide and not drag. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying foundation underneath your eye. The skin is thin and it'll crease. crease. Instead, color correct and conceal and apply foundation away from the under eye. Now you'll never have cakiness or creasing. Try it. Stop doing this. Stop applying all brow product without removing the excess from the front of your brow. It will look strange, trust me. Instead, take your brow gel, start from the end of your brows. That's where you'll deposit most product and where your hair is usually thicker, and with what's remaining, lift the brow hair from the front. Now your brow hair will look natural. It'll sit in place and they won't stick together. Try it.